sana walking free or ano ba tawag doon? Parang sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa. It's very much safe to walk freely in their streets. Just like, from different countries. Unlike here, siguro kasi overpopulated tayo at maraming residentials. I think kailangan naka-cover talaga yung screen ko para hindi obvious what I'm holding. And we could check kung how clear the camera during this time. Again, time check 6:29. Medyo kataas. May magandang dito. Spotlight pero maiksi lang. Just like in Manila. Mga lights sa bridge. We can take a picture here, no? Okay. That's how it is. Ganda ng lights. Sana nakikita. That's the bridge. Yeah, okay, let's continue to walk. Medyo, pa, siguro mga 15 minutes pa. Okay. Maya ulit. I'll try. If not, it means tapos na. That's how I do it every day. So, kailangan walk tayo every day. Kasi ang hirap ng office work lang. Lalo na kapag office field. Medyo very few ang galaw-galaw. Oops. Maraming sasakyan. Kanya-kanya ruta. Anyway, gotta go. Bye. That's it for now.